While the lockdown has been devastating to many people across the globe, it's been a blessing in disguise to the planet. Perhaps one of the most positive things to happen due to the lockdown is that nature is healing. As nearly one-third of humanity stays locked indoors, industries cease to operate, and transportation comes to a screeching halt. This Earth Day, that was first marked 50 years ago on 22nd April, gives all of us a chance to introspect into mankind's polluting activities, in the absence of which the world could look like the way it does now. So, what does the world look like right now? Well, it looks significantly clearer. In India, especially the national capital Delhi, we can simply see by looking at the bluer skies and increased visibility. Ground stations have reported a drop in pollutants like PM 2.5. Satellite images also corroborate what we see. Across the world, some pollutants like nitrogen dioxide are on the decline. This toxic substance is emitted by vehicle exhausts, especially, and power plants and water treatment plants. Now, from air to water, which has turned cleaner, especially in India, where industrial effluents find their way to major water bodies, causing rivers like the Yamuna to froth and be covered by a layer of cloudy foam. None of that is happening anymore. In fact, even the water of the Ganga is reportedly now fit to drink as industrial activity has stopped and the bathers have stopped coming to the ghats. The effect on the earth that we stand on has also been significant. Seismologists have reported that the earth is far more still, as a result of which earthquakes of smaller magnitudes can be detected much more easily. Human activity contributes to a permanent vibration of the ground that are recorded by the sensitive seismometers, but now this unwanted noise has gone silent. And finally, animals that were pushed back into green patches near urban areas have dared to walk out of their habitats to explore cities that were once their homes, where they lived alongside human beings before rampant urbanization. All over the world, animals from elephants to rare wild cats are making a comeback as humans retreat to their homes. Now, these changes may be temporary, but the glimpse that it has given us into a world that we can easily achieve with more sustainable development practices will be remembered by us all for generations to come. This Earth Day is a good time to set the roadmap for a cleaner and healthier future.